Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Just want to do a quick sound check. Make sure my sound and screen is working. Okay, before we start our section. So if you are here with me, appreciate if you can type a one. Okay, if you type a one for me, okay, then share my screen and sounds okay, right? So again, just a quick disclaimer. Okay, this section here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks, okay, based on our discussion this morning, now very important, make sure your own trading plan, you know what you are doing, okay, especially because right now in this market, definitely is not a good market, okay. So if you want to enter, make sure your own reasons why. Okay, so I'm definitely not doing any buy and sell call, including myself. I think I shared Telegram. I do have losses as well. Some of the previous gain, drop, or white off, but when you need to cut, you just need to cut. Okay, of course, I do stuck few lah. Sometimes you tak sempat to exit everything, right? You cannot exit everything in one go, right? So sometimes, yes, I do stuck few. So let's say today, if let's say got a little bit of recovery, probably I will continue to exit in the market. Okay, if not, I will see how it goes. Of course, it do have panic selling, but I still think that going towards the end of the year, we still got a chance to see the markets going higher. Okay, I think like yesterday in the Telegram, someone asked, will you think that this one is going to last for years or not? Okay, I don't think so. It's going to last for years. Of course, probably this event over here, due to the special event, we do see in carry trades. You know, anyone here know about the carry trades for the yen things? Okay, if you know, type one. If you don't know, type two. Okay, so potentially probably because due to this one time event. Okay, but definitely right now there's no sign of recovery yet. Okay, so yesterday actually break below support, the crucial support of 180. Okay, gap down straight away, gap down 180 and heading to 1153 if I'm mistaken, around this area 1560. Sorry, okay, and actually break lower again. So the next one crucial one, I think this area here probably will be more solid. Okay, which is this area over here 1500 lah. So potentially it may retest this area again. So probably gonna take months. Okay, years I don't think so. Years one, wow, if let's say years one, I think all of us also such a market. So like 2 years ago, after COVID really we have a so-called sideways market no trending market So this is a time that very tough. Okay, if you want to do a little bit of short terms. Okay, so of course, this part over here, you can see the trend change. Yes, it do drop badly. Okay, but let's see how it's going to retest 1500. But based on yesterday volume and the candlestick, I still think that it may go a little bit lower. Okay, but of course, I wouldn't know. Okay, whether they will make a rebound before drop. Okay, or should we drop? Okay, this one I don't know. Okay, but anyway, like I said, whenever market got gaps, always pay attention to the gaps. Okay, so moving forward, what I'm going to do is that I'll look into each of these individual stocks, and then I will see how they're going to react. Okay, towards the gap area. Okay, so this kind of area is very important for you to know whether the market is ready to reverse or not. Okay, sometimes you can look from the KLCI, but KLCI sometimes it's a bit too late when they cross already, most of the stock already jalan already, especially those small cap mid cap stocks. Okay, so that's why I still want to look into the individual stocks. Okay, whether how they're going to react towards the gaps. Okay, let's say mostly cross already, the blue chip will follow, and KLCI will also cover back as well. All right. So there's again overall market direction. Do let me know any stock you want me to look into. Like I said, probably similar like yesterday. I don't think I got anything for you guys. Okay, unless you want to trade some things that at the bottom one. Okay, then you let me know. Or probably some good fundamental stock you probably want to use this opportunity to invest more for long term. Okay, you can let me know as well. Okay, we can check on the long term market structure. Okay, good time to look into market structure lah. So, but anyway, if you know as well, my trade signal over here actually is based on the live chart over here. Whenever they got set up, it will trigger. But so far, 9:30 already, there's no setups. Okay, there's no any pullback stop trigger, and this is how I know the market is not ready to recover yet. Okay, because pullback haven't happened yet. Okay, so for those that who are using X chart, you know, here got one small setting buttons. Okay, so click on this button here. Okay, click on this button, scroll down. Okay, actually got a lot of so-called the criteria you can look for, but I usually prefer to look for this pullback. Okay, so make sure you take the pullback. Okay, then you know that, okay, now which counter actually having a pullback setups. Okay, now markets no pullback today, so this is again a sign that tells me that overall it's not ready yet. Okay, probably because of yesterday also is a big candle. So pullback usually it will need to fulfill certain criteria. If the stock only goes up half of this down bar, it doesn't really fulfill the pullback candles. Okay, pullback criteria. Okay. All right. Do let me know any stock you want me to look into, because to be frank, I got nothing much today. Okay, mostly like I say all kena. So I'm not sure which stock I should review. Let me know. Okay, any stock you want me to look into. If not, probably we just close our section. Okay, I'm not sure. All right. So okay, now Rent Hill is the one that actually I'm still holding, but I was looking for exit as well, or maybe reduce some of my positions. Okay. So one good thing is that of course they are still around this support area, but I think it's very dangerous. Okay, because if you look into today, this candle, actually this is a weak candle, not a very good candle. I thought today rebound going to a bit stronger one, at least half of the down bar. So half of the down bar still okay overall, but a small candle like this normally is representing big lah. Of course, volume still low. Okay, now it's half an hours already, but uh, the volume seems pretty normal. Okay, we need a higher volume in this case here. Okay, so any others? Any others that are holding more? Is there, I think Malakoff goes back up, right? Malakoff I exit already, but after exit, it goes back up again. Okay, but still is a big type of candles. Okay. Let's see how it's closing. Let's see how it's closing. Hello, morning, Ruku. Okay, now today, you know, yesterday some of the stock actually formed hammer. Okay, but hammer got few type. Okay, hammer got few type. Of course, closing on green bar is stronger. Okay, now this kind of hammer, it didn't close above the support. Also, actually not really that ideal. Okay, not too ideal. Okay, the next thing is that the next day or next few days, okay, you want the candle actually hold above the hammer. Drop okay lah, but they hold above the hammer. Okay, this one I don't count. Okay, so if let's say today close somewhere around here, this is not a good sign. Which means the pullback is not ready. There's no pullback in these setups. Okay, there's no pullback in these setups. Okay, so for those counter that forming hammer yesterday, okay, don't be too happy first. Okay, because probably the selling might continue today. All right, so Gary looking for Notion. Okay, we look into Notion. Notion also is still break support already. I think just now before I start, I look into it, it's still going lower. Okay, so not a good sign. Okay, not a good sign. So this currently, if you ask me, not a good sign. Good morning, Alex. Good morning. Unless they go back to here. If not, I still feel it's a bit risky for you to enter right now. Okay, because why? Again, don't let me stop you. But if you got your own reasons, if you think that this is a good fundamental store, you can hold, it's a good chance for you to buy and hold for years, then go for it. Okay, but for me, based on purely technical wise, okay, this is the area that I don't like to see rejection. This is a bit similar as soft. If not mistaken, I can show you later on. Okay, now the next thing is that here trend is very good, yes, no doubt, but sometimes this one feel like it might go back to this support one, this area here, which is pretty big gaps. Okay, which is pretty big gaps. Okay, so something for you to consider. For me right now, no good setups. Okay, no good setup. Let's say based on FA wise, okay, FA wise, Petrosky F score is 5 out of 9. So okay lah, neutral lah, moderate lah, boleh lagi lah. Okay, so that's how I look into it. The other one, probably I can share with you is sense of. So this is a good time for you to learn as well. Inverse pullback. Pullback is uptrend, right? So pullback is uptrend, right? So here sometimes we will see things like hammer or maybe like COC all these kind of things. Okay, strength signal, You can actually check out how this so-called strength signal over here. Chances for them to go up with pullback is higher. Okay, inverse pullback, okay, is when they happens during the downtrend. Okay, so here hammer opposite is shooting star. So for example here, drop, goes up, shooting star 2040, then it dropped below. Okay, so again, this is a time for you to watch out this kind of setups. Okay, if you see this kind of setup in your chart, I think it's good to monitor further first. Okay, no need to chase. Okay, market oversold. Yes, yesterday is so badly, sell badly. Okay, so technical rebound like this will happen. Okay, probably later on towards the this week. Okay, maybe tomorrow towards Friday, you will see stock prices started to goes up. But when it goes up, okay, be careful on this kind of patterns. Okay, which is the inverse pullback patterns. Okay, because continuation might coming later on. Okay, so now let's look into some of the stock that you have for me lah. Fajar EG. Okay, let's into Fajar. I think Fajar also didn't survive. Yeah lah, didn't survive lah. In fact, Friday already dropped the main support already. Okay, this is one of the good support. It dropped already on Friday. Okay, drop further. Well, so far I can say that the only things you can watch out is the gap. Okay, gap usually form as support. Okay, so 40 cents area. Okay, 40 cents area probably will provide a good support area. Okay, for you. All right. Not sure looking for entry exit, but entry, I still think the same. Okay, probably I will look see first. Okay, how it goes. Okay, sometimes what they do is that they will still do a shakeout one. Okay, during this kind of so-called weak market condition. Okay, EG. I know morning they goes back up with green. Oh, okay, in the end didn't turn green. Okay, so again beginning. Okay, so gaps down. For me, this is considered gaps. Some people consider gaps, some people not consider gap. But for me, it's a gaps. Okay, as long as the opening go lower, in the end it didn't go back up. Okay, for me, it's considered gap also because the selling pressure is there. Okay, unfortunately, I don't see any sign. Okay, I'm not sure, Alex, you're in these stocks or not. If you're, let's say, you're in these stocks, similar as Sensoft, okay, this is the 40 MA. Sometimes what they do, they'll shoot back up, form a shooting star, then goes down. Okay, so make sure you watch that. But so far, if you ask me, if you want to look for entry, I still think that I will maybe monitor further first. Okay, again, so far we are going to the first trading hours. Volume's not great yet. Okay, for most of the stocks. So this is a purely a technical rebound this morning. Okay, now Pokong, Pokong also didn't survive. I thought Pokong, how about Tome? Let's see. I thought Pokong Tome can survive yesterday because gold prices still holding well. But I guess everyone also kena lah. Okay, so Pokong, Tome still boleh lah. Tome still boleh. They are still overall still above the main support. All right, but volume yesterday is high lah. I think it's gonna take time also. Now let's get into Pokong lah. I thought Pokong Tome it will survive lah, but tak jadi lah. So okay, this one, also break below support already. If you ask me, this one break below support. Okay, if you want to enter, go back to support first. Okay, do a shakeout first, then I think it will be more interesting. Okay, it will be more interesting. Okay, so far this is a few counters you have for me. Any other counters you want me to look into? Do comments below. Like I said today, nothing lah. Just chit chat a bit, then we look into the market a bit. Hopefully we will see something, but so far not yet. Okay, NTAX. Okay, let's go into NTAX. Hey, okay, yesterday closing not bad lah, right? Okay. Wow, this one still so strong with the trend, everything. Okay, of course I'm not going to enter right now, but this is a good time for you to watch out good stocks. Okay, wow, CEB, CEB, they say the owner also keeps selling one more. Okay, but let's see lah. Okay, now overall the background is good for NTAX. Okay, yesterday closing satisfied. Okay, they are still above this resistance. Of course, I don't know whether they still will survive or not today or next few days. So far, so good. Okay, so I think if let's say this thing over market recover, okay, NTAX is one of the good counters that you can consider. Okay, very strong. Okay, very strong. Let's look into the analyzer because I want to see the FA in terms of FA wise. Okay, in terms of FA, 5 out of 9 for Piotrowski F score. Okay, which is here, 5 out of 9. So okay lah, boleh lah. Not too fantastic, but of course not too bad. Okay, in terms of fundamental wise. Okay, So let's go into S metric. Wow, penny counters are FJ. Used to be pump and dump stocks, right? This one. Am I right or not? I think I remember this S metric pump and dump style, if not mistaken. Okay, so okay, penny stock. All this one is a bit illiquid, but recently volume is there. Okay, so looks like got operator. Okay, got operator, right? But here, let's see. Yeah. Okay, this is a strong support they need to hold. Okay, maybe somewhere around here. Okay, here we got two resistance, got support. Okay, maybe somewhere around here, which is right now the area here, 20 cents. Where's my pen? Okay, so previous resistance turns to support with a shakeout. Okay, so but here got false breakout. This one is a false breakout. Okay, but maybe because of also gum, we got this weak market, so that's why it dropped. It cannot make a follow through. All right, so normally in this case, right, false breakout, like for example here, okay, you will see a shakeout. Okay, so if you interested or maybe you already you plan to continue to hold, I think you should expect a shakeout. Okay, so because I think I do explain also previously, like false breakout shooting star high volume normally they will go below support and then do a shakeout one. Okay, like for example previously in this is back to June. Okay, back to June. Okay, so probably last one before we end our section, CEB. Okay, CEB, I know the owners keep selling Okay, so this one no sign of recurring yet. Okay, but Gary, you have to tell me you're looking for Excel or entry. Okay, Miss T, okay, sell. Okay, here also I think also she sell. Okay, 15 M. Okay, so here also 20 M sell. Okay, so buy is EPF fund. EPF is buying. EPF is buying. Okay, so the rest is selling. Okay, no sell yet. This one, no sell yet. Okay, again, not sure what is your so-called intention, short-term or what. Okay, or maybe you think it's good company you're looking for, long terms. Okay, but so far no setup. Okay, so let's get into the FA analyzer here. Okay, 6 out of 9. Okay, again, not too bad overall actually. Okay, not too bad overall. Okay, 6 out of 9. Okay, but so far I don't see a sign of so-called reversals yet. Okay, probably look for the climatic volume. Okay, normally start going into downtrend. Climatic volume will reverse one. Like ECMO, I think ECMO is one of them. Okay, so net gates. Net gates, okay, at least net gate, I think they are still in the nice trend here. Oh, big drop also, high volume. Wow, okay, back to this previous so-called resistance are not turned to support. Okay, so again, it's very close with the so-called support area. Okay, this is the support area, very close already. Okay, so what you do is at this level. Okay, again, not sure you're looking for entry exit now one. All right, but anything happen right now is not good for me. It's not a good time to look for entry. Okay, unless yes, you're looking for long term one. Okay, like net things. Yeah, I think the FAS should be quite good also. Let's go to analyzer. 3 out of 9. Okay, so okay lah, boleh lah. But watch out this level. Okay, this is the next support level. Okay, oh, got people selling also net gates. Miss Tan and Mr. Ui. Okay, I'm not sure who are there. Are they the founder or something? Okay, who is buying? Dato Seri Wong Siu Hai. Okay, so he's buying. Okay, so this also Mr. Ui, Miss Tan is selling. Here, Dato Seri Wong also selling. Okay, so it looks like selling all along the way lah. Okay, recently got buy. Okay, yesterday Mr. Wong buying probably buying on the dip. Then today, tomorrow, or maybe next week, you see the insider got start buy or not. which means they are trying to support. I'm not sure. Probably we can continue to monitor their activities. Okay, then we see whether got any sign of reversals coming or not. Okay, so there's net gates. Let's do the YBS. Okay, YBS and front can looking for entry, then we end our section. Yeah, this one I think drop back to reaccumulations ready. Okay, this one I think you need to wait really. Okay, normally based on what I observe, reaccumulation when they break out or accumulation when they break out. Okay, if let's say the stocks drop back, okay, to the reaccumulation or accumulation, it's gonna take time already. This is sometimes what we call also false breakout, but maybe because of due to current market condition also it failed to make a follow through. Okay, so sometimes they will drop the support, sideways, only they break back. Okay, or maybe do a shakeout. Someone in Bursa do a shakeout. Okay, but anyway, going back to PS reaccumulations ready, yeah, I think time needed, okay, for them to make a new high. Okay, front can looking for entry, ECMO looking for entry, sure. Wow, looking for entry, Okay, to be frank with you, currently all the stock I don't see any entry setup based on short term to mid term, based on daily chart. Okay, based on daily chart. Okay, so front can. Front can, I think next support should be somewhere around here. 350 okay, 354 354 area okay, probably should watch out also. Okay, this area probably will again I'm not sure whether they will like this or not. Okay, but let's say got inverse pullback, normally it will break below support again okay, but today so far up bar with low volume okay, now we are going to almost going to the very first hour already for today, but so far volume is low I can say that it's not a very good volume actually. Okay, ECMO also breaks support. EMA I troubled everything already. Okay, unfortunately they also impacted. Luckily previously I got a lot of big profits. Okay, now this is another good reasons why sometimes yes you have to lock a little bit profit. You can lock 30% or 50% of holding. Okay, so for example, if you enter trades, let's say you're entering 10K per trades, okay, sometimes it goes up more than 8%. Actually, more than 8%, I will consider already, but of course, I look into the overall momentum. But normally, 8 to 10%, I will try to lock a little bit of profit. Maybe you can exit half, okay, exit half 5K. At least you put a little bit money in your pocket first. So if let's say sometimes things like this happen when you exit everything also you won't gonna hit badly. Yes, it's painful because you can take 10 over percent at the top, okay, but again we never know where is the top and bottom. Okay, so even like this I exit ECMO, I don't really lost. Okay, I think break even or maybe some few hundred ringgit saja for ECMO. I guess we have to wait. Okay, now looking for entry, again, like I said, I don't see any good entry to be frank with you. Okay, let's see weekly we can see anything or not. Okay, market bottom somewhere around here. Okay, actually here also Actually here is a good support. Okay, let's going back to daily chart. Let's switch back to daily chart. Okay, somewhere around here I think would be nice Okay, somewhere around here 535 or 530 area. Okay, watch out for strength signal or at least wait for a few days of base building. Okay, wait for a few days of base building. Okay, probably last one. Okay, KGB. This is for just month. Midterm. Okay, I use weekly This one daily again. Daily is bad. Okay, daily is bad. Okay, nothing to see on so-called daily. Okay, weekly wise. Okay, again this week also I will probably wait. Okay, because I want to see whether this 20 MA will hold or not. All right, if fail, okay, I think next one here, 274 area. Okay, 274 area probably is the next area they want to do pullback, but it do make sense also because this one is still weekly chart. They have been going up for some times already and far away from 20 MA. So maybe it will drop here. Okay, we test around 40 MA. Then from here we check for a good strength signal. Okay, safer level will be somewhere around here. Okay, so with this, once again, thank you for joining me in today's section over here. Nothing much today, unfortunately, but as long as your money is still in your your capital still in your account, I think still fine. We still got a chance. Okay, market also yes, but we'll wait for our next opportunity. Okay, so with this, thank you, and I will see you again tomorrow.